Hi boys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class, we would like to write a C program to print all square numbers which are less than 105. And we are going to use a for loop. Using a for loop. I am doing this. The main purpose, I want you to understand the logic behind the for loop. Okay, these are basic programs. At least try to understand. Okay, so that you will not have confusion when I'm implementing these loops in complicated programs. Write a C program to print all square numbers which are less than 105. What is a square number? A square number is a number that can be written as n squared, where n is a what? Where n is an integer. Okay, so be able to write the output before you write the program. Be clear with the output. What do you want? You want to print the square numbers, and these square numbers should be less than 105. I'm going to write the output. I'm sure we discussed all these things before. Now, what is the square number? So I have 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. This is 64. Okay, this is 8 times 8 now, 9 times 9, which is 81, 100. So these are the square numbers. These square numbers are less than 105. Okay, you can have 121, but this 121 is not going to be printed. This is not part of the output because this 121 is greater than this 105. Okay, so this is not part of the output. I'm going to write the program. What is the first value of I? 0. I is less than what? I is less than or equal to 10. I what? I plus plus. Here, sorry. Printf percentage %d backslash n. It's okay. What is this? This is nothing but I into I. Then you close. Then 0. So this is the program. This is the simple program. Let's check how the program is going to be executed. The compiler is going to check for the preprocessor directive. This is going to be executed. It's okay. Followed by what? It is going to check for the main function. This is the main function. It is going to enter into the main function. Now it is in the main function. The first statement in the main function is executed. This is the first statement. Int I. What is this? This is the declaration of the variable I. It's okay. Some space is allocated for the variable I. Okay, this is all. Now, for I is equal to 0, what is the first value of I? I is 0. Okay, it is going to check. 0 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, 0 is less than 10. Now, if 0 is less than 10, what is going to happen? It is going to enter inside the for loop. Now it is in the for loop. This percentage %d is a format specifier for printing the what? For printing the integer. Okay, so this, in this case now, we are going to print I into I. What is the value of I? It is 0 into 0. What is the answer? It is 0. So 0 is going to be printed. It's okay. After printing this 0, the value of I is incrementing. I is equal to I plus 1. This is the expansion form of this one. I is equal to 0 plus 1. So I is equal to 1. This is the new value of I, which is 1. So here I have 1 now. Here I have 1, I have 1. It is going to check. 1 is less than 10. This is true. It is going to enter inside. Here it is going to print what? 1 into 1. What is the answer? The answer is 1, right? So this one is going to be printed. After printing this one, the value of I again is what? Is incremented. Okay, the value of I is incremented. So I is equal to 1 plus 1. So the new value of I is what? Is 2. Now here I have 2. Here 2 is then 2 equal. It is going to check. 2 is less than 10. This is true. It is going to enter again. It is going to print 2 into 2. What is the answer? The answer is 4. So it will keep on incrementing. It will keep on increasing the value of what? The value of I. Let's say I is equal to 10 now. I is equal to 10. So here I have 10. Here I have 10. Here I have 10. 10 is less than or equal to 10. Yes, 10 is equal to 10. Okay, it is going to enter into the for loop. And it is going to print what? It is going to print 10 into 10. What is the answer? The answer is 100. Okay, after printing this 100, the value of I is incremented from 10 to what? To 11. It is going to say I is equal to 10 plus 1, which is 11. Now the new value of I is 11. Here I have 11. Here I have 11. 11 is less than or equal to 10. This is false. This is wrong. 11 is greater than 10. So the compiler is not going to enter into this for loop. Okay, which means what? Which means 11 into 11 is not going to be printed, because the moment it checked, this condition is false. So it is not going to enter into the what? Into the for loop. So this is the output. This is what you are going to get. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next class. Enjoy your day.